Welcome back. Well, India has one of the highest mortality rates in breast cancer cases worldwide. A simple new tool has been developed by SBI Life and Tata Memorial to help raise awareness on self-breast examination across India. Ridhima Shukla has more.
A brand new innovation owned by SBI Life is now facilitating early detection of lumps in the breast. And these women sitting right behind me are the first ones to be introduced to it. Only 66% of women in India survive breast cancer. And this is partly because of late detection and diagnosis.
Cancer affects urban and rural at the same level. Yes, in this campaign we are trying to have focus in the rural market, in the rural India, because the awareness we feel is at marginally lower than the urban market.
After collaborating with the experts at Tata Memorial Hospital, SBI Life Insurance launched a self-breast examination kit called Thanks a Dot. The shape of each dot in the kit has been derived from real tumors seen in mammograms.
Thanks a Dot as a product is inspired from Braille. Okay, if we can understand how a blind person is able to read, okay, that's the inspiration. And in the product, what we have done is that we have created a 3D model of the lumps of cancer.
With the help of a cancer survivor, SBI Life Insurance is now holding workshops in villages across India to help women understand the use of the Thanks a Dot kit.
So in India, there is a big taboo that women have about speaking about their health, and definitely more so in the rural areas. And breasts per se are probably a topic that's not even brought up, or they would feel incredibly uncomfortable discussing it with even close family members. And I feel the trick to beating this disease is to be able to diagnose it early, to get treatment as quickly as possible. And that will only come with the awareness that women should have about the fact that that part of it is in their hands, literally so. So Thanks a Dot is a great tool. So what this tool will do is tell them what they should be looking for. It will give the fingers on their palms a tactile memory to know what a lump may feel like when they are doing their self-examinations. And that's what I think it would be a great product for them to start working with and start getting a sense of how to look for, or how to know that there is something not right with their breasts.
इस जानकारी को जानकर मुझे पता लगा कि इस तन में कैसी गांठें हो सकती है। इस तन की जांच अब से मैं खुद करूंगी। यदि मेरे स्तनों में गांठें महसूस हुई तो मैं खुद भी डॉक्टर के पास जाऊंगी और अपने समाज को भी जागरूक करूंगी।
हमारे समाज में औरतों के स्वास्थ्य को अनदेखा किया जा सकता है, या ये आप ये भी कह सकते हैं औरतें खुद अपने स्वास्थ्य को अनदेखा करती है। वो अपने ऊपर ध्यान नहीं देती, वो सोचते हैं कि ठीक हो जाएगा, चलो छोड़ो कोई। लेकिन ये छोटी सी गांठ एक कैंसर बन सकती है। ये जानकारी मिल रही है तो ये उनकी ज़िंदगी बचा रही है, तो ये उनके लिए बहुत बड़ा फ़ायदा है और उनकी लाइफ के लिए, उनकी जीवन के लिए बहुत बड़ी जानकारी, और जानकारी ही बचाओ।
Now you know how this amazing little tool can help you safeguard your life and the life of your loved ones. Log on to this link to order your first Thanks a Dot kit for free. Made possible by SBI Life Insurance. Now I'm going to go ahead and order mine while you order yours. With camera person Manoj Thakur in Sonipat, Ridhima Shukla for NDTV.